us over here at Tech, about to get teched in. These are B-class trucks. You gotta pull an injector and they inspect the turbo. These guys just telling us. Pretty slick. This one's off. Super cool process here. Keep all the boys honest. They said they ain't had no problems, so very cool.
What do you guys have to check for?
You got backup.
Backup beeper? Yeah.
Is yours on a switch or reverse? Make sure you use it because I'll DQ you.
Just check, looking for stroke.
Yeah. Just make sure they're moving.
Yeah.
Oh, it stops.
Now we're looking for drive shaft loops.
Yep.
I did
Yep.
drive shaft loops and built U-joint cages last year, which was a big pain in the ass.
Yep.
I got lucky on the front one though, because the way the cross member is on the truck is already an automatic drive shaft loop. Right under the cab is a big ass cast.
Right.
So.
Yeah.
I put a cable on there. Not that I don't think there's ever been a Detroit in the history of Detroit that blew the heads off, but
no,
I'm happy to do whatever for safety.
No, at least it's even secured to the frame. So
I mean, I wish the engine made the power to blow the heads off.
These are good problems to have.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Power. Don't I wish? I did a bell housing. Well, I did that last year. The bell housing wrap, and then I got another thing.
Check and see what we had here. Yeah,
it's bolted underneath, and I put the got a mud flap deal like underneath the transmission too to catch.
We're just. I know you're in Detroit. You gotta have a shut off.
Oh yeah.
On this side.
Oh yeah. No, well, this has got spring-loaded racks on it, so it can't really run away per se. But it's got guillotines on top of those also because they want those. So I got one for turbo.
Yep.
Trying to keep up with some electronic cats with the mechanical Detroit. It's an uphill battle. I didn't do it.
Well, boys, minor inconvenience here. We lost reverse in the Fat Cab. We're thinking the set screw for the shift rail backed out. So Jason's in here digging deep. We're gonna try to get the cover off top of the tranny in there. See if I can get you an angle. Oh yeah, there you go. We try to pop her top there and see what we can do. I'll keep you posted. It's a lot easier than pushing every time we gotta back up.
Hello.
Heidi ho.
Neighbor.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, bud.
You got your fruity tooty here for you again?
You, Joe.
You just lift this thing straight off?
Yep.
Is your pinky out, bitch?
It always is.
Yeah.
You want to set it on the side there and roll it on the carpet, or?
You lifting it with the stick too?
Yeah. We left the stick on.
It's easier than losing them check balls and springs.
Yeah, I hear you.
Good news or bad news? They're all safety wired.
Yeah, so what's the problem?
I don't know, wasn't that?
Where's the reverse?
That's what she said.
What you're seeing is we're digging into the tranny to find the reason why it won't go into reverse, because we thought it was a shift fork that lost the ball, or not the ball, but the bolt that holds the shift fork tight in the rail, and it wasn't that. So we're investigating. What I discovered while I was in there is that the reverse gear is super loose on the main shaft, and actually what ended up happening is we believe the main shaft is twisted right where the dog slides into reverse, because it gets stuck and will not physically engage reverse. It can't go back, and there's nothing blocking it other than the twisted splines on the main shaft. So that's what you're seeing here.
Trans have button back up. We're just making sure we don't have any of the shift forks out of place. You're gonna blow air everywhere. I'm fucking lines. Be alright.
Trans doesn't make more noise than that loose ass gear in there. It's got to be going.
Oh yeah, no, it's wobbling. It is unhappy with your life choices, that's for sure.
Jesus.
What are you drinking? Making fun of my natter days.
Good stuff.
Oh yeah, it's delicious.
It's fancy beer.
Oh boy.
Man beer. This is man beer.
I don't seem to remember. I don't remember this guy turning out no Jello shots last year.
My pinky doesn't go out when I drink.
Oh yeah,
beer.
I bet it does. Nice.
guys. So not a whole lot of footage today. We're gonna do a walk around some other trucks. We'll get some more with Jason tomorrow, but mostly just was a short day. We only got the 3 passes, and that was the ball game. We didn't want to hurt it too bad and just keep making passes after pass after we hurt the main shaft. So try to save the truck for tomorrow, and we'll just see what happens there. Hopefully he has good luck tomorrow. We wish him the best. For now, we're going to sign off for tonight. I just finished editing this clip up. We're going to upload it and hopefully bring it to you tomorrow during the day. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to keep posts every day for the on-away deal. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.